What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, and I'm here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors, man. Salute to everybody for rocking with me. I appreciate y'all for pulling up. Shout out to all the Shib Inu coin investors. Shout out to everybody that's thinking about investing into Shib Inu. If you are a part of my notification squad, man, salute to you. Drop in the comment section. Let me know if you pulled up ASAP. Also, if you're one of the new subscribers to the channel, drop your name in the comment section so that way I could become more familiar with you and just, begin to recognize your comments and respond to you. I will be in the comment section for the first hour of this video, so drop something and we'll get to that. So shout out to my community private stock market game. Make sure y'all come follow us here. We have our own investment community. This is where I get my free 99 alerts. Congratulations to one of my students, K-Rock, on hitting that $3 million mark. Yes, $3 million in just about 6 months time, man. Congratulations, bro. Stay down for the come up for everybody. So we got future millionaires and millionaires already on the channel. Shout out to y'all. Also follow me on Twitter at DecemberDeMarco. Same way the channel is spelled. Also follow me on Instagram, and please be aware there are scammers in the comment section of this video that will try to reach out to you and tell you to WhatsApp them. I would never tell you to WhatsApp me. Also, there's a fake Instagram page, a couple of them going around right now pretending to be me and also trying to scam people. The fake Instagram is DecemberDeMarco. Again, the fake Instagram is at DecemberDeMarco. If that page followed you, it is a scam. Please do not fall for it. I'm warning y'all. So we got some quick TA to do. Y'all see we called this yesterday. Congratulations to y'all. Y'all see I like to leave my charts up so that way y'all can actually understand that we are calling this live. This is why I tell y'all I like to do this live so y'all can see where we were at yesterday versus what's happening now. So we are on a 4-hour chart. We called this breakout. If you remember, I said it in my video yesterday, I felt that we would see a breakout. I called what I gave us a few possibilities because this is charting. This is not a crystal ball. It's only telling us what's likely to happen, so I can just give confirmation on certain key areas that if this happens then this will happen, but if this doesn't happen then this will not happen. So I can basically do if that then this scenarios. But we timed this breakout perfectly. I hope y'all caught that dip when I told y'all. Congratulations on y'all that did. Let me know if you bought that. So right now we're looking good. We got a nice cup and handle pattern. Looks like it wants to form right here. So we should be seeing an even bigger breakout to target this 58 range and possibly even higher if we see some good news coming back to the 6 ranges. So it's smooth sailing right now. I believe we could see some resistance at that 58 range and push back down, but the fact that we're finding support on our mid Bollinger Band is a bullish sign for me, and the fact that we violated this trend line here. Remember I told y'all we were finding support here around this range, but we were making higher lows in this area. So even if you caught that dip right there, and it's not that far of a percentage in gains, but you still will make money over time by entering in more favorable positions versus buying the tops of positions. You'll become profitable a lot sooner. So on the 4-hour chart, our RSI is about 52 right there in the middle, not overbought or oversold, but we are seeing some resistance right here. So hopefully we can break through this area and see some bullish momentum coming in. Hopefully this breakout signals some positive sentiment. We had a lot of FUD going on yesterday because of Robinhood dissing us. Well, Robinhood needs us a lot more than we need Robinhood, and honestly I believe this is a manipulation play where the media is just basically down talking Shib, trying to cause FUD to basically get people to sell. Honestly, I'm happy when I see this happen. When this happens, this is a positive sign for me because we have to shake people out to continue to go to higher levels. If everybody that was just holding on to the rocket, just everybody that FOMO'd in on that breakout, if everybody could just continue to go into the top and everybody become millionaires, think of how many people that would have to be. We have to, shake some people out. The people who believe the least in what we're doing here, they got to go. And that's just, it sounds harsh maybe to some, but that's what's really happening. The stock market or crypto markets is nothing more. I don't want y'all to ever forget this. It's nothing more than a device to transfer money from the hands of the impatient to the patient. Yes, it is an investment vehicle, but that's how the money circulates, because someone is giving up a position and someone is gaining on that, give up or on that loss of someone else. So it could be, money from institutions. It could be money from retail investors. It could be money from whales. It could be money from from, you know, other organizations that are working together. You know, we never know, you know, who it is. But that's why I try to teach y'all how to be, you know, smart, or, you know, better informed investors, and how to identify, you know, prime opportunities in a chart where smart money will be entering, and learning how to invest along with smart money. So we're not oversold yet. We're not even at the top Bollinger Band. We're holding support on the mid Bollinger Band. Broke this support here. So hopefully we work our way back up around this trend line here, back into the 6 ranges. So the next few days we should be seeing some bullish momentum, as long as, you know, the sentiment doesn't change. We did some sentiment analysis yesterday. Everybody was pretty much, as far as investors, you know, are concerned, you know, are, you know, basically holding. The ones that, you know, basically understand the project, there's not that much FUD. So I noticed here, you know, I was just going through the Reddit community, and y'all notice a lot of the TA, you know, resembles the live TA that I, you know, do. So that's why I tell y'all need to be subscribed to the channel, so that way, you know, y'all can get this information first. You know, a lot of major you know, forex and, you know, crypto websites are using my technical analysis, you know, for their website. Shout out to Forex Street. You know, they're using my price targets as well. They have me over there. I'm looking forward to working with them in the future. That would be pretty dope. Also, a few other, you know, media sources that, you know, I can see as well, because I basically can, you know, look at the timestamps from when I post my info versus when the rest of them start to come out. And I thought it was just a coincidence at first, but mine always come out first. So, you know, so I'm trying to tell y'all basically just to shortcut a lot of the, you know, extra you know, noise that you have to filter through, and just come straight and pull up and turn on your notifications so you can get this information ASAP. I know it's a little untraditional from what y'all might be used to getting, but I try to make this information, you know, bite-sized, digestible for, you know, the average investor. You know, we do have experienced investors tapped in with the channel as well, but, you know, I try to, you know, keep it relatable for everybody without using, you know, certain terms that we don't have to. I'm just explaining to y'all what's happening. So sometimes things might sound harsh, but that's not my intent. It's just to be real with y'all overall, and not, you know, give y'all some fake information. So here we are on the Shib Reddit page. I told y'all to come get tapped in here to get a lot of the breaking news information. Also be subscribed to the channel. But this is how you can see some things if you want to keep coming to refresh here and see if something new is updated. So let's check out the daily discussion and see what, you know, our fellow investors are saying. Shout out to everybody reaching out to the channel. Appreciate y'all for tapping in with me. I will get to y'all as soon as this video is over with. Let me know if you want to get the course. Email me ASAP. I have a few slots left at that floor price. So this person says, if you think a few little dips scare me, then you're a fool. Only time I'm selling is when it hits £1. I'm not leaving. Okay, good work. Shout out to grossly incandescent. Someone said, I think half a pound is more realistic, but even then I will be rich. We will all be rich. Someone said, that's the thing that makes me most suspicious. Is it not naive to think that we all can get rich? There's so many SHIB holders, many with hundreds of millions. And are we to believe the price could rise high enough to pay out everyone and make tons of us millionaires? So this just hit on the point that I just made, that we have to shake people off. And, you know, I'm not saying, you know, that, you know, I don't want anybody to make money, but I just understand, you know, the economics of this. You know, how many millionaires can be made if, you know, 1 million holders are holding? You know, we need, or, you know, depending on the amount that they're holding, everybody wouldn't be able to become millionaires, but we need a lot of people to get shaken out of their positions along this journey. That's the cycle of, you know, a coin growing to the higher levels. You know, there's some people who diamond hand, there's some people who hold for only a period of time, and if it doesn't get to where they project it to by a certain time, they'll give up on it. But that's not what we're doing here. I told you I'm 5 years plus in Shib Inu. This is a long-term investment for me, possibly even you know, longer, because think about it. those who held Bitcoin for 10 years got to see the most benefits. You know, so if you diamond handed Bitcoin for 10 years, you know, your wildest dreams, you know, from when you bought it, you know, would be, you know, brought to reality, because those people, even $100 back in the time when I first heard about Bitcoin, would be worth about $151 million right now. So a $100 investment could have grown to $151 million investment. That's crazy. You know, so I believe we are in, you know, the early times of something similar. You know, so, you know, we are in other coins as well. We do a lot of investing and trading other coins, but this is one of my longer plays that I can see, you know, a lot of use case for. I see the strong community, if not the strongest community in crypto. And, you know, I'm proud, you know, and honored to be a part of this community, because, you know, what better way is, you know, what better thing is to be a part of than to be able to, you know, follow, you know, my money along this journey, you know, and be able to stay updated on it, you know, to be able to stay, you know, up to date with the latest news, and also help others understand, you know, how to invest in it as well. So it's a cool thing for me. That's why I always say investing is cool. So let's see what else. If you have 1 million sheaves at the price, and the price rises to $1, then you become a millionaire. That's how it works. If you have 500 billion sheep and the price rises to $1, then you become richer than Elon Musk. That's how it works. It's not likely to happen overnight unless someone burns 100 trillion this afternoon, but the potential is there. And, you know, we got to always remember, you know, burns can come in at any time, and, you know, the team is looking at more ways to implement burns. Also, the community itself is taking, you know, initiative to implement burns. We got burn playlists, we got burn, you know, concerts, we got burn, you know, all types of, you know, new tokens even coming out to help implement, you know, burn on SHIB tokens. So the burn, it will come over time. Y'all just have to give it time. A lot of the things that will help Shiba Inu reach 1 penny have probably not even been, you know, invented yet or fully adopted yet. But as this happens, as we see more mass adoption in the, you know, crypto space and decentralized finance space, we will see Shiba Inu come out on top. What other coin is positioned to, you know, come out on top in this altcoin, you know, meme coin space other than Shiba Inu? You know, honestly, I believe, you know, with due time, you know, we already flipped Doge, you know, once, you know, or a few times actually, but I think, you know, in due time that will be a permanent position that we hold over Doge. So, you know, this is not financial advice. You have to always do your own, you know, research, due diligence, never risk more than you're willing to lose, because we could be seeing 60 to 80% swings, and I don't want to see y'all become panic sellers or get wrecked. That's why I teach all this information. But you know, just never risk more than you're willing to lose, man. And make sure, you know, you go read the white papers of these projects. You know, you go join the communities, the Discords, the Telegrams, you know, the Twitters, and you, you know, ask questions to the team. You ask questions to the holders as well. The holders will let you know a lot about the project. So that's a gem right there as well. So someone said, not everyone will sell everything. Besides, it's a matter of there being buyers. The price of Shiba is an indicator of value. Think of it like a classic vehicle. The vehicle doesn't have money stashed away in the glove compartment. People want the vehicle and are willing to pay X amount for it. Same with digital/fiat currency or other assets. It will sell according. Shout out to everybody reaching out to the channel. I got y'all as soon as it's over. They asked, same with digital/fiat currency or other assets. It will sell according to what people are willing to pay. What happens is that when too many units are sold, the value decreases because there's more available for sale. Even when there's buyers, value of an asset is still, for the most part, assigned as the result of availability and demand. So it's basically, you know, supply and demand. The more people that are pushing the price down, the more sellers want to sell. That will drive the price down, even if there's buyers, because, you know, the buyers can continue to buy, but the sellers can continue to run the price down, and it becomes a competition of who can, you know, sell theirs for the cheapest price, and that becomes a price competition, which drives the price down. So let's see. Someone says, I'm a simple man. I see a price, whether it be this or this, and I think, oh, cool, I do not sell, for I have no purpose to do so. Exactly. So this is a person who has invested, you know, an amount that he is willing to lose. And when I say that, I don't mean that you're going to lose it, but I'm just saying an amount that you're, you know, willing to lose, because, you know, it can get scary at sometimes. They can, you know, it's all a part of the market psychology. The market is trying to wreck anybody who put in more money than they were supposed to, or anybody who's impatient, looking to try to hit a home run overnight, over the weekend, or whatever it is, you know, in a short period of time. The market is built to wreck those individuals and take the money away from them. They call that dumb money, you know. And so that's why I try to teach y'all what smart money is. Don't be dumb money. So someone else says, ladies and gentlemen, get ready for the takeoff. So someone says, Shib Army strong AF. Grab more Shiba on the dip today. Staking Shib, accumulating Shib. hodl sheep, listening to bigger entertainment sheep burner, going to sheep burn party on the 15th, sheep army. Let's honor veterans with a special sheep army showing today to the moon. You know, so shout out to all our veterans. Appreciate y'all. Salute to y'all as well for holding it down for the entire country. You know, also all the veterans around the world as well. So shout out to Yeet Boy. He said he had to cash out because he's on leave between jobs and needed that rent and grocery money. My new job comes with a 25% pay increase. Planning to buy back in ASAP when that starts. Any predictions on when we'll burn a zero? I think we can do that, bro. If it would have happened already. It's really not that fair, but you know, this market isn't fair. You know, they call it the free markets, but it, you know, man, it's a lot of stuff going on in these markets, man. That's why you just have to be wise. But we should have already burnt the zero, you know, during that coin market cap listing, or not listing, but circulating supply manipulation or whatever was going on right there that we still haven't figured out. We're still waiting on an official reply, but it should have happened during that time. But I can see it, you know, happening within this, you know, next month. I believe they might just try to, you know, cross everybody up, shake everybody out, you know, do a lot of oopty-wops, you know, to, you know, get people FOMO and panic, you know, to the process of taking a lot of, you know, having people put money on the table to take it off the table. So they hype you up, make you think everything's all good. Hey, it's going all good. Put buy. All those new investors that don't understand that they're buying the top, they're buying the absolute, you know, peak, that all that money comes off the table. That's why I teach y'all in my videos how to buy the dip, or how to use your Fibonacci retracement zone, or how to identify key support levels or previous resistance levels in the chart, so that way you can determine where, you know, a good entry is, so that way you do not get wrecked. I do not want y'all getting wrecked. I want y'all to be patient. I don't want y'all to chase, you know, these entries. I want y'all to let it come to you. You know, this is not financial advice. If you want to chase, do whatever you want to do. But if you want to be a better informed investor, then this is the way. So also, let's see, someone said I bought another 5 million on the dip this morning. Another person says I like the manic depression of crypto. It's interesting in all facets, from the diamonds to paper. It's all good. I'm just over here hodling. So shout out to everybody that's, you know, hodling and not being, you know, afraid. Let me know, is this market manipulation, them suppressing us and holding us down, how is it affecting you? I need to know this. Y'all need to drop this in the comment section for me. I want to see everybody that say that they rock with me. I want to see y'all answer to this in the comment section, because I want to do a update on this in the next video to, you know, see how my subscribers are feeling about what's going on. So let me know, how does this make you feel as an investor with all this going on? So let's take one more look real quick at the chart. You know, we starting to see, this is why we do this live, you know, so we can see if anything changed, if we can see, you know, anything that we need to update y'all on. So let's move to a smaller time frame. Let's go to the 1 hour. Okay, so we found some support right there at just about that 53.76 range, and we are continuing. It looks like we want to continue to move up to that 58.28 range. That would be nice. So I'll update y'all in a few hours and see if we do hit that target. So appreciate y'all for pulling up. That's all we got. If you're interested in getting my technical analysis course, remember, these really go fast. I allowed the first 50 people to get it for 50% off the floor price. It flew off the shelves in the first few days. Now I'm allowing the next 50 people to get it at the floor price before the price more than doubles. Please do not say I told you so, or that I didn't tell you. If you are, you know, a serious investor, you have more than $1,000 invested into crypto and you're ready to take it to the next level, then you know, you would be doing yourself a disservice by not reaching out to me to get this course. Email me DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com, only if you're ready, you know, right now to take it to the next level. Appreciate all y'all. Remember, you do not have to pay for anything on this channel. All this information on my videos are free 99. You can just go through about my last 50 videos and you will be light years ahead of a lot of people when it comes to doing your own technical analysis. And remember, this works with not just crypto, not just stocks. You know, you can use it in forex, you know, options trading, you know, NASDAQ, you know, you can use it on anything that has a charting candlestick. So that's all we got for this video, and we are out.